Welcome to the skies above the Carquinez Strait. Here following the south bank is the Union Pacific Martinez subdivision, home to Union Pacific freight services along with 4 Amtrak routes, 2 of which we will be seeing. The Carquinez Strait is located northeast of San Francisco. The specific section of coastline we will be looking at is between Crockett and Martinez at Port Costa. First up here is a northbound Amtrak Gold Runner service, which was formerly known as the San Joaquin. Leading it is Caltrans Siemens SC44 Charger 2107 and a 7 Siemens Venture Coach Consist. At the end is a California bi-level cab car, as the Venture cab car has not been certified to lead yet due to signal shunting issues. It is passing by pilings of former ferry piers here that at one point were used by the Central and Southern Pacific to move trains from across the strait in Benicia before the bridge linking Martinez and Benicia was built in the 1930s. Next up here is an eastbound Amtrak Capital Corridor train. Its consist is made up of 5 California bi-level coaches and is powered by EMD F59 PHI 2001. The eastbound Capital Corridor is next. The Capital Corridor generally runs from Sacramento to Oakland, with certain trains extended as far as Colfax to the east and San Jose to the west.
P detector, milepost 27.8, track 2.
Next up is a Union Pacific Manifest Freight. It had originated in Roseville Yard near Sacramento that morning, running west to Ozell Yard outside of Martinez, which it had been switching for the previous couple of hours. It was now coming out of the yard, continuing west. It was crawling as track crews had one of the tracks near Crockett out of service, so it was waiting for the next eastbound Amtrak to pass so it could cross over to the other main line to pass the work zone. I am speeding up part of this train, as otherwise it would be an over 8-minute long clip of it dragging by. Back to normal speed, and here's the eastbound Amtrak Gold Runner that Union Pacific was waiting on passing by. As a bonus, here's an eastbound Capital Corridor crossing the bridge linking Martinez and Benicia that I mentioned earlier. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.